Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's key to your security, pun intended. We're talking all about key duplication. So, grab your spare keys, hit that like button, and let's get started. Key duplication is a process that simplifies life by allowing you to create exact copies of your keys. Whether it's for your home, office, or car, duplicating your keys is a quick and convenient solution for various situations. So, how does it work? A locksmith carefully places your original key into a specialized key duplicating machine. This machine utilizes a cutting blade to trace the contours of your original key, effortlessly carving a duplicate key out of a blank key, creating an exact replica. Once the key is duplicated, the locksmith meticulously inspects it to ensure that it matches the original key perfectly. Any necessary adjustments are made to guarantee a seamless fit, ensuring that your duplicate key works flawlessly. Now, speaking of keys, have you ever found yourself in a lockout situation? We've got you covered. Check out our video on how to act in a lockout situation for valuable insights and tips. It's important to note that different types of keys require different duplication methods. From standard house keys to high-security keys, locksmiths possess the expertise to duplicate a wide range of keys. This ensures that the duplication process is tailored to the specific key type. To ensure successful key duplication, always bring your original key to a reputable locksmith. This step is crucial in guaranteeing an accurate and well-crafted duplicate. Entrusting the process to a professional ensures reliability and precision. So, the next time you find yourself in need of a spare or replacement key, remember the magic of key duplication. It's a quick, efficient, and reliable solution that provides peace of mind, knowing you always have a spare key on hand. Stay informed about the latest security tips and trends by following us on Instagram for valuable insights and exclusive content. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Stay informed, and never worry about getting locked out again.